Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we have started chapter 3, that is addition and subtraction from maths composite, right? So you also know that we have started self practice 3A from the in the previous class. So in today's class we are going to continue from question number 3. Alright, so let us start our class assignment without any delay. Here we have the first question from self-practice 3A. The question states that the annual school fees for Mr. Gore's daughter is rupees 4,650. His son's annual school fee is rupees 1,315 more than the daughter's fees. Okay, so how much school fees does he has to pay for his son? How much fees does he pay altogether for both the children? This question is a little bit tricky, but trust me, this is the easiest one. Alright, it is more easiest. So just you have to understand the question properly. So the school fee for Mr. Gore's daughter, for his daughter, he is paying rupees 4,650, and for his son, annual school fee is this much more. Okay, that means for his son, he is paying this plus this. So first of all, the question is school fees, how much school fees he pay for his son. Okay, so that we have to calculate. So let us write according to the question. ATQ is according to the question. It is given, no? So we have to write like this: annual school fees for Mr. Gore's daughter is equal to rupees 4,650. So this is a word problem question, so you have to write the statement also. It is very mandatory. Okay, important. So similarly annual school fees for Mr. Gore's son is this much more, right? So 4,650 plus 1,315. Okay, so we know from the question that it is given that his son's school fee is rupees this much more than the daughter fees. So for daughter he is paying this much, and for his son he is paying this much more extra amount he is paying. So we have to plus this, so from which we can come to know 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So for his son, Mr. Gore is paying how much? 5,675. Why? Because he is paying this much extra money, right, according to the question. So now how much fees, this first answer is over. How much school fees does he pay for his son? So annual fee for Mr. Gore's son is this much. We got the answer. Alright, so now our next question is how much fees does he pay altogether for both the children? So therefore for both the children, both the children, Mr. Gore paid is equal to 4,650 for his daughter and 5,965 for his son. So we have to add this, that means, right? So all together means plus. So 4650 5965. You all know how to plus this, right? So when you add this, you'll get 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, and 1 in hand, right? Because 6 plus 5 is 11, and this 1 will be written here, and this remaining 1 will be carried out. So now 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? 9 plus 7 is 16. So now 6 will be written here, and the remaining 1 will be written here. Okay, now 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So for both the children, Mr. Gore is paying rupees 10,615 altogether. Okay, I hope you have understood this. This is easiest, no? As I have told you in the previous that this is the easiest one. Only the question is little bit bigger, but if you understand and do it, it is the easiest one. Okay, let's proceed to question number 4. So here we have the question number 4. It states that a farmer picked 6,820 apples, 3,589 peaches, and 1,733 mangoes from his farm. Wow. So how many fruits were collected in all? So over here also we have to use the same technique, that is addition method. Okay. So how many fruits were collected in all? So we have to write in such a manner: number of apples picked or plucked is equal to 6,820. Similarly, number of peaches plucked or picked, let's write picked only, picked is equal to 3,589, and number of mangoes picked is equal to 1,733. Alright, so what we have to find altogether, how much fruit he has collected, that we have to find. So therefore, number of fruits collected is equal to this. All we have to add, right? Addition we have to do. So you all know how to do this 3-line addition. So first of all, we have to add 0 plus 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So this 2 we are writing here, and what is in the remaining hand? 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, and 11 plus 3 is 14. So out of this 14, 4 we will write here, and 1 we will write here. So 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21. So 1 we will write here, 2. You know how to add this, isn't it? So in the previous class also, I have showed you this thing. 21, 1 we are writing here, and 2 here we are writing here. Alright. So now what is the remaining? 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, and 1, 12. So it is 12,142 fruits. Alright. So student, did you understood this? I hope you are understanding. I'm not going through the step one by one because I have already explained this, and to make this thing more perfect, you have to practice a lot. Okay, because in maths, only the thing required is your determinant practice. Okay, so remember, practice make men perfect, and using this using the thought, you have to practice this. Practice a lot with 4 line, for 5th line, for 3rd line. Okay, so that you will be perfect. Okay, so our number 4 is also over. Let us proceed to question number 5. So student, here we have the question number 5, and it states that at its deepest, the Indian Ocean is 7,906 meter. Okay, the Indian Ocean, you know, right? So the Pacific Ocean is 3,088 meter deeper than that. Deeper than whom? Deeper than Indian Ocean. So which one is bigger? That we are going to find. Okay, so with this value, don't say that Pacific Ocean is the value of the Pacific Ocean, or the depth, or the Geharai, or the deepest is Indian Ocean. It is not exactly, because the Pacific Ocean is this much deeper than that. Means with this plus this, the Pacific Ocean depth is. Okay, so we have to calculate by addition. So according to the question, let us write solution first. According to the question, the depth or deepest, or its Geharai, what we call in Hindi, the depth of the Indian Ocean is how much? 7,906 meter. Alright, so this is the depth of Indian Ocean. So if you don't know the swimming, we will not be able to survive there. Alright, so that's why in the Indian Ocean, in the Pacific Ocean, the largest seas moves over there. Okay, So next thing we have in our question is the value of Pacific Ocean is this much deeper than the Indian Ocean there. So Pacific Ocean is 3088 meter deeper than I'm not going to write that, I'm going to write here Indian Ocean, okay, so that it will be more clear to you. We are comparing between these two, okay. So now therefore we have to find the how much deep or depth of the Pacific Ocean. Therefore the depth of Pacific Ocean is 7906 for Indian Ocean. Then it is this much more deeper, more 3088 is the more deeper the Pacific Ocean is. So we have to do plus here. So 6 plus 8 is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have 8. So I'm just using for this. For the other I'm not going to use, okay? Just explain more in a more deeper manner, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because this type of a technique is actually used by the smaller kid, okay? So you people are no more kids, right? So you people have grown up now, you are in class 4. So class 4 people have to be more little bit you have to think more deeper like a ocean, okay? So when you count this, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? So it is 14. You have 4 here, so we will write 4 here. And what is the remaining here? 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 8 is 9. So nothing in hand. So 9 plus 0 is 9, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So what is the depth of the Pacific Ocean? How much deep the Pacific Ocean is? Pacific Ocean is 10,994 meter deeper. Okay, so I hope you have understood now. Now you can compare which one is deeper, which one is gahara, Indian or Pacific. Of course, Pacific Ocean is much more greater, deeper than the Indian Ocean. All right. So we are over with question number 5 also. So proceeding further to question number 6, we have a factory manufactured 6,754 ink pen, okay, and 3,598 ball pen here a month. In a month, they are preparing this much of ink pen and this much of ball pen. Okay, so how many pen did the factory manufacture in a month? So it is very simple. You have to add this, right? So first of all, but how to write, that is the biggest problem when you are solving the word problem. Many of the students face a problem when they are doing when they are making a statement. So you have to be very careful. Don't worry, you have to use the sentence which is given in the question only. So just read this. A factory manufactured this much of ink pen. So let's write according to the question. In a month, factory manufactured ink pen manufactured is equal to how much? 6,754. Similarly, ball pen manufactured is equal to 3,598. Alright, so what we have to find here is how many pens they are preparing or they are manufacturing in a month. So we have to write, therefore, in a month, factory manufactured. Let us add this first, then we will write the other statement. Okay, so 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 in hand, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 9 is 15, right? So 1 in hand again. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 in hand, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. So how many pen they are preparing or manufacturing in a month? Factory manufactured 10,352 pens. Okay, so this is it. Is this, no? So student, with this we are over with question number 6, and this much for today. Alright, so in the next class we are going to learn many more things, addition of the 5-6 digit. Alright, so till then you practice this thing. Alright, see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. Okay, thank you everyone.